This is the FB003 three-wheel drive robotic platform made by Fibro International. It has 3 omnidirectional mecanum wheels, 3 ultrasonic sensors, and an Arduino control board with an Arduino expansion board. And here we have a PSX controller, and the PSX controller comes with a wireless receiver. The wireless receiver is connected to a small prototype board. The prototype board just has a small circuit with a few wires and a couple of resistors, and this helps connect the PSX wireless receiver to the Arduino control board. This is the same three-wheel drive robot with the cover on top, and this is the PSX controller we're going to use to control the robot.